Welcome to my channel. This is my 34th day in the journey of 100 days of code challenge. Today I made a responsive navbar using HTML and CSS. A responsive navbar is a crucial thing and the first thing to do while building any website. So today I built a responsive navigation bar. In the code I used some links of jQuery and Google Fonts. We can do this even without them. It will work as it is and has nothing to do with those links. I'll share the GitHub link of the code in the description. Let us begin this, and if you have any doubts and queries, you can connect me through Instagram and also comment your doubt below. I'll definitely help you out in solving them. Done with the navigation bar, it is responsive. By the end of this video, you will learn to make a responsive nav bar. You can use this code in any website that you are building, and even you can modify those changes based on your needs. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll never miss an update from my 100 Days of Code Challenge playlist and other interesting coding stuff. You can even follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description. Thank you.